Hi, this is Elisa here, and this video is for you that want to build websites and sales funnels. Woohoo! Guys, I've already seen lots of people saying, oh, you don't need a website to work with affiliate marketing. You don't need this, you don't need that to do, you just need a phone. Okay, guys, if you want an online business, why you wouldn't have a website? Why you wouldn't have this and that? Tell me about that. It's an online business. Okay, sometimes I get crazy with things that I've been seeing online. What I want to speak about is there are lots of tools out there that you can use to create your blog, to build your website, to create your sales funnels. But I'm here to speak about a specific one that I've been using. It's been 3 months that it's working, and it's amazing. It's very responsive builder. It's helping me. It's so interesting because I've never built a website before, and last week I've decided to create a new sales funnel for me, and I used this new builder. It's called Cheetah builder, and it's inside Builderall. That is a digital marketing platform. That is the one that I've been using to build my business online. It's been a very good experience so far. The builder is so easy to use. I've never done any training on it. I've just decided to go for it and starting using it. And I already have my sales funnel working. And not actually, if you want to see the sales funnel working, it's the link below. That is 15daytraining.elisakappel.com. That is here in the description, okay? You can see this funnel working, and you can also join the training because obviously it's going to be good for you as it was good for me too. So I would like to share with you my screen right now. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to use Cheetah to create your website, and you can do sales funnels as well. And the most important thing, it's why I'm going to show you. Because if you want to use Cheetah for free, you can. You can, my dear. It's just a matter of clicking the link below called cheetahforfree.elisakappel.com, and you are going to enter to Builderall, this amazing digital marketing platform, and you can start building your website right away. Oh, there's something that I really want to talk about before going to my screen. Do you know what sales funnel is? What's the difference between website and sales funnel? Well, websites are pages that give some information to your customer. Okay, so you can speak about your services, about your products, about your business, about yourself. You can put any information on your website. A sales funnel is different because it's a process of several pages that you are going to put your customer in, and you are going to offer your customers anything that you want to. For example, you're starting your affiliate marketing business. You want to give them a free ebook. The first page would be, would you like to have my free ebook that can help you with da-da-da? And then the person will click, yes, I want. And then the customer will go to the next page. The next page is, put your email here and I will send the ebook for your email. You will forward him or her to another page that probably will be a thank you page. And the thank you page would say, thank you very much. And you can offer another thing, another service or another product for your customer. You understand? The sales funnels is something that you are always offering something good for your audience. That's the difference between website and sales funnels. Websites don't sell. Sales funnels sell. All right? Let's jump to my screen then. All right. I'm happy that you are still here, and it's something very special that I'm going to share with you right now. It is my dashboard that you are seeing in this moment. This is the digital marketing platform called Builderall, and here, as you can see, we have lots of tools. Each box of this one is a tool that I can use in my online business. But I want to show you specifically what is for free. You can join right now using my link in the description below. You can start building your website and your sales funnel right away. So let's go. Here is Cheetah. Let's enter. What I'm going to do is to show you how you can build 3 important pages for a sales funnel, okay? What I'm going to show here is how you can build a sales funnel with 3 important pages, okay? And it's for affiliate marketing, right? But you can use the same idea for local business, physical products, anything, okay? The first page will be a landing page. The second one, the page that customer is going to put email and name. And the next page, it will be a bridge page where you are going to record a video and put there to say hello to your audience and bring them to the next step, that is the sales page of your product. So let's dive in. Create a new site. The title will be Sales Funnel Training. Você, Ctrl C. Select a template because we already have lots of templates for you to choose. Normally I'll go to blank templates because I like to build my own websites. Here we are. As you can see, all the templates are here. And then we have new templates. And then we have niche funnels templates. Let's use a niche funnel. Amazing. Dog grooming. Preview. How it would be. Let's check. Guys, I'm doing it with you. I've never seen this one before, okay? So, as you can see, it's already done. You just need to put your logo, change your phone, maybe change something in the copy if you want to. Oh, I really want this one, guys. Let's go for this one. It's creating. It's already here. As you can see, I've named it as Sales Funnel Training. I've decided for the grooming template, and it's already here. So let's edit the site. As you can see, I have 3 important pages here. Okay, so now you are here in your home page. That is the landing page. You are having some information here for your customer, and then this button takes you to the opt-in page where your customer is going to put his or her name and email address, okay? For edit a pop-up, you need to click here, and then you can edit your pop-up here. Opt-in page is connected to Mailing Boss, that is the email system Builderall has. You will have access to if you join the free plan that brings together the Cheetah, the Builder Canvas that builds sales funnels too, and the Mailing Boss, okay? So this form here, you can obviously attach to a list that already exists in Mailing Boss, or you can create a new list right here inside Cheetah. It has already created a list there, so you can use this one, save, and also you can, inside Mailing Boss, change the fields that are important for you to have access to about your customers, okay? So this is the pop-up, and after the pop-up, this link, this button is going to send to the confirmation page. that is this one. This confirmation page is for a list that is double opt-in. So you need your customer to go to his email, his or her email, and then confirm they really want to enter to your list. So you already have a page ready for it, okay? It's just a matter of doing that. Isn't it amazing? Everything's already done. It's already done for you. It's just a matter of you changing things. For example, if you don't like this title, you can change it and put here, I don't like this title. Okay, and then you can drag it to another place, and then you just save and publish it, and it's ready to go. Did you see how cool Cheetah is? It's so easy to use, it's so drag and drop, it's so no need tech savvy. For example, I'm not one of them, so if I can do it, my dear, you can do it too. You're going to have access to Cheetah Builder, to Builder Canvas, and Mailing Boss. So you can start right now. Hit the button below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe right now. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and comment below because I would love to connect with you, okay? So stay tuned, my guys, and see you in the next video.